What's up, everybody? We are back with another video in the heat of the summer of 2026. I bought 10 of these Matchbox 5 packs for €5 each, which is a pretty good deal. And today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Jeep 5 pack. So let's get started with a quick look at the packaging. Here you see our models. Our cover model is the Jeep Gladiator. And a little spoiler, unfortunately, all of these models are re-releases, so no new versions in this set. So it's the same thing with the recent set I showed you, the convertible dreams. I mean, on the one hand, I have to say I prefer new versions. On the other hand, it's not necessarily bad that we get some re-releases, and why I will show you in a second. So let's get started. Let's slide our models out and let's get started with this one here. This is the 2019 Jeep Renegade in red. And as I mentioned, of course, as all of these 5 models, it's a re-release. I think it's the second version that we've seen. So this casting is from 2019. It's the second version. And here's the thing. I never got this version. I mean, it's a neat casting. We get deco on the back, some taillights, Jeep license plate, gray base. Some nice details on the front. And now I have all of the versions that we've seen so far. So let's take a look at the other models. We have seen this one in a nice blue color. We've seen it in green, orange, and we've also seen it in white. So yeah, all the 5 versions, and with this 5 pack and the re-released version, I'm complete. So let's put this guy into the parking lot and put our other Renegades to the side. As we take a look at another model, which is this guy here, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Without the doors, you can see this seems to be the Rubicon version. So letting here on the front. Yeah, unfortunately, I already have this version. And here it is. And I think we don't see any differences. We get the same wheels, exactly the same deco. If you spot some differences, you can write it in the comments down below. Let's take a look at the base. You can see the original version saying S11 here on the base, and I think Matchbox, I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago, they started that they don't do these base coats anymore. So the new version has nothing underneath. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. We also have a green version, which looks pretty cool, and a blue version, and I'm missing one version. I think, not really sure, red maybe, I don't know. And you will see in a future 5-pack unboxing, we will get an orange model of this casting, and the orange version is new. So yeah, that was the Gladiator. Then we have this guy here, which is the 1964 Jeep Wagoneer with the for some reason blue tinted windows. I mean, it's a neat casting, and as you can see, we get the chrome base. So we get a chrome bumper and on the front, and on the back we get details on the front. And this model also comes with a trailer hitch. I think the wheels are a nice fit for this model. This is pretty new, I think. It's from 2023, and there are only two versions so far. This guy here and some brownish bronze version, whatever. Don't have that for some reason. Sometimes, you know, you mix these models up. There's a casting that looks pretty similar to this guy here, and I thought I already have it, but I didn't. So here's the thing, I already had this model. So yeah, in this case, let's take a look at the base. Don't see any code there. Anyways, that was the Jeep Wagoneer. And then we have this one, which is the 1960 Jeep 4x4. And this casting is been around forever, I think. Look at the base, and we see it came out in 1983. It's been retooled in 2013, and there's a ton of versions out there. I only have one other version, to be honest, which is this one. And yeah, this casting is ridiculous. I mean, it's so completely off scale. I don't know if there's any other Matchbox model except, you know, boats and I don't know, planes, helicopters, and all that stuff. But this is so completely off scale. I mean, if we put it next to the Renegade, I mean, it almost disappears behind that. Or I mean, the Gladiator. That's a really huge car. So whatever. That was our Jeep 4x4 in kind of a purple livery. Once again, this also is a re-release from a few years ago. And our last one is this guy here. The Jeep Wrangler Superlift, which is yeah, kind of an interesting casting. I mean, this thing really looks wild, especially with this transparent roof piece here on top. You can see the chainsaw, the gas can, and all that stuff. I already have 3 versions of this casting, which is this guy here. I think most of them, or maybe all, I'm not really sure if all of them are from a 5-pack. This one here is pretty cool with the worn deco. That was a really cool 5-pack. All the models came in worn deco in this 5-pack. Really nice. I think this version was in a single pack. Yeah. So I don't know. I think there's already, from when is this casting? From 2011. So pretty old. And there's a lot of versions out there. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. As always, I'm picking a favorite. And well, I mean, all of these are re-releases, but of course my favorite is this one here, because this was the version I was missing. And with that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.